Welcome to the Mid-Atlantic Nursery Trade Show in Baltimore. Behind those doors there are more nursery professionals than you could possibly imagine. And I have one question for them. What are they growing that we should be growing that we're not?
Well, one thing I've been growing for a lot of years because I really like it is southwestern white pine, or Pinus strobiformis. Another name is Mexican border pine. It's from the southwest. It's in the same general characteristics as our eastern white pine. The needle's a little stiffer. It's a lot bluer. It makes an excellent yard tree, excellent Christmas tree. And if you want to grow it, if you like to grow a tree for something really unusual, the seed is edible.
This is Brunnera Silver Hearts. It's one of the early spring bloomings to get some good pollination for the bugs. But this is a unique plant in that it's good for dry shade. It will withstand drought areas, drought times. It's a very good sturdy Brunnera. It has that wonderful silver foliage which kind of lights up an understory planting under a tree.
Well, this is the Euphorbia Ascot Rainbow. As you can see, it has very colorful foliage. It's rated for zones 6 to 11. Exposure for this perennial is full sun, partial shade. Has nice bloom in spring. It's green color. Of course, when it's not blooming, you're going to get some really nice colorful foliage throughout the year.
I love Helianthus Unstoppable, which is exclusive to Monrovia. It is a annual, however, it is a prolific flowering Helianthus or sunflower. Compact growing, 3x3, does very well in full sun. We guarantee 1,000 blooms on it. It's a sterile plant, so it's putting all of its growth into flowers. Beautiful yellow with a brown center. Does well without water, does well dry, does well full sun. Excellent plant we've got.
We are in Zone 6 in Tidewater, Virginia. We raise a number of holly varieties. We raise Dragon Lady, but it's sensitive to wet feet. This particular is a variety we've selected and named Dragon Slayer. It has the same format, same hardiness, same deer resistance, but for us it's much better thriving, surviving wet conditions.
What should people be growing that they aren't?
Well, there's a very nice evergreen that many people do not yet know about, and is a vast improvement on what some may know as the Rheingold arborvitae. This is a fire chief arborvitae, Thuja occidentalis, fire chief. It will mature to around 3 to 4 feet over the course of 10 years. And one of the benefits of this plant, especially compared to its predecessor, if you will, the Rheingold arborvitae, is this variety maintains a nice deep, dark orange, coppery color, and in fact, the colder it gets, the more reddish this plant gets. So instead of browning out like the Rheingold can do, this takes on a more intense, deeper red tone over the winter months.
For more information about everything we talked about today and more, log on to everybodygardens.com. Until next week, I'm going to go back in and explore a little bit. We'll see you then. Is that a photo bomb?
Yeah.
Good, I just got it.